Here's what was going on. I was listening to Justin Bieber in the car ride over, and I was thinking, this is my last round of match play. We got the final 8 of the 24 games. I'm in 17th, which is the TV show, and I'm just super grateful that I'm able to vote for a living. It's super cool to come to the bowling alley and get to call it my job. And I just wanted to say thank you to everybody who helped me get it. Whether it's one of you guys watching or someone who helped me along when I was in high school or Chris from Buddy's Pro Shop or my parents or whoever, I just wanted to say thank you to all you guys because Justin Bieber got me in my feels before this match play block. Not really rah-rah, but just put me in my feels. So 8 more games coming at you.
I watched The Package on Netflix, and the Justin Bieber song will never be the same.
On 20 from Wichita, Kansas, looking for PBA Tour title #1, give it up for Patrick Hanrahan. Starting up on 21 from Bluffton.
Hey, bowl good, Mr. Rays. Bowl good, Mr.
Hey,
Rays.
I'm gonna whoop his ass. What I'm gonna do. Big eyes and all.
Hey guys, cameraman Kevin here to give you the update. As Packy sits next to me, and he already knows. Packy is 63 up on Frankie, who is in 18th place. They're taking the top 17 to all the telecasts. 4-7 telecasts, if you guys didn't know. So if he can stay ahead of Frankie at 62, he's in the first telecast. But a lot can happen. There's 30 pins behind him as well as Tom Doherty. So 1 and 2, one game. Bust off a win, get into the first show, and then run the biggest ladder known to mankind. That's a yes.
In the opening match, again, Friday, 6 p.m. start time from Canada. Champion as well. Give it up for Chris Prater. That's the lineup for show number 1 tomorrow, 6 p.m. The number 12 seed in show number 2, Saturday, 7:30 start time. From Saginaw, Michigan, he's a 3-time champion on the PBA.
Alright, so I'm going to give you guys a quick rundown of what just happened because there was a million games going on for 17 guys to make 4 or 5 different shows. All this stuff was happening. So Packy needs a double in the 10th to shoot 2-0. He blew over 10 pins. We go all the way down to the 15th and 16th seeds to see that Dick Allen is only shooting 170. So Dick Allen throws all 3 in the 10th to force a mark out of Tim. If Tim marks, Packy needs to mark to get in. So Packy marks and strikes for 180. Tim gets up there and throws the first one in the 10th to strike. So Packy somehow stays in 17th with people jumping in and out, and he's on the show. So tune in. It's going to be a live one. Let's get it.
Hop back on it. I really think I got some really good breaks in match play. I just seem to hit the right people at the right time.